Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot Samsung Galaxy S25. Okay, so the process is really easy. To reboot this device we need to open up the power menu first. To do it we need to use the two button combination, which is the power button and the volume down button. We need to hold them at the same time, just like that. Now tap on the restart. Now tap once more. Okay, now as you can see the screen went black, and now within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again and ready to use. You can already see that the Samsung logo appeared. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.